What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here and you don't know, like and subscribe. And I have a guest here, my cousin, Bridget. And so we are doing a squishy video
Wait.
about squishies that we've just got.
Kendall, wait.
So, I have this chocolate one,
This
whale, and I have this one, and a unicorn, and this, and a tiger.
and some kind of babe with no mouth.
This one we actually need to work on because the nose is not in the right place, and it has an outline for its mouth, but it don't have one.
No mouth. And this is my cupcake.
And this is my cupcake. This is my cupcake. Squishy. Let's just play with them, you know. I wish we had something for this light to hang on.
I'm Bridget.
Okay, cool.
What? See you in a minute. What?
Yeah, you can have that. So, guys,
I know I can. It's mine. You don't need to tell me if I can find my stuff or not.
I have this one right here.
I have my squishy.
I was trying to let them see, but the light ain't quite working. Squishy.
And my favorite one is this chocolate because it looks like
The chocolate is so big too, and I get it for $1.
It looks so yummy, like real chocolate.
Oops, sorry.
There's again. And I got my dad's present, and it's my unicorn.
He's probably gonna give it back to you.
I can have it. Okay. Unicorn is the best because I
like the chocolate more than anything.
Look,
we also need
it's
to
a
talk
bow.
about how cute. I've had one of these before.
It's
and
about
this is cute too.
if you put the unicorn on top of the chocolate, it looks kind of like a bow. If you turn it that way.
Okay, well now we're just going to finish up by showing you my PJs. So I got the Grinch, everybody. Got the Grinch pants. Got the Grinch going on.
Okay, look.
Got the Grinch. And that is all for our YouTube channel, our YouTube video. So, peace, guys.